caught my eye. If you watch like a football game, you'll see how they have like the cable cam. And you can see they've got a cable cam in here, inside their booth. That's pretty cool. Let's go check it out.
Hi, so I want to introduce the Eagle Eye system. It's flying around our booth in Vegas. It's the Eagle Eye 250 with the big winch on the side, you can see. So it covers big stadiums. So we have 4 winches, and the rope pulls the system around the field. The winches are at the corner, working with pulleys in the roof or on top. We have fiber inside the lines for data and video.
Inside these little wires?
Yes, the 3.5 millimeter wires.
Wow.
And
those are on every side?
yeah. And we have a control station. We can manually control it or have automated moves. So we do jobs around the world with the systems. We have 35 systems all over the world working. Yeah, this is the base station. Let me show it. This is the base station controlling the system. And this is the manual control for the system. The software shows you the path. It's automated moving. It's manufactured in Switzerland. And Luna is renting it out in US. So we have a good partnership here. So we have 2 companies on the same booth.
Awesome. And then what's this? Is somebody else going to talk about that?
I'm Brendan McCool. I am the CTO of Lunar Remote Systems in the US. And everything you see here is owned by Lunar. This is the junior system you're looking at right now, track and dolly system. We use it in many different applications. It sells very well for touring, up on the stage, doing some rock and roll kind of stuff. Runs over SMPTE. Provides the data, the power, the camera connection, the IP control for the camera as well. Everything that runs through the camera will go through the SMPTE and then back to the operator's control. We can invert the track as well. This thing can be upside down and effectively in the air. So that's the Junior 5C made by Microfilms based out of Paris. We have to change battery on the Wirecam. Have we talked about the MAT? This is a combination of 2 bits of kit. The Tower Cam by MAT, and then the Moses B20 head, pan and tilt head. We use this application quite literally all over the world. It's probably one of our most popular systems. Call this the Pickle. The Pickle allows you to go up. And then all the way down. MAT offer, I'm going to say, 12 different sizes of Tower Cam, or maybe a little bit less than that. They can make you specific sizes if that's something you want to do. Well, yeah, we use this all over the world. Again, it can be inverted as well. Attach it to some truss and invert the system. And then last but not least, over here, if anyone's not familiar with this, this is the Agido, made by Motion Impossible, a company based out of Bristol. We have it set up here in a demo mode, but got mag tracks on either side, which allows the system to follow a magnetic strip that you put down where it self-drives. It has a column that goes up and down, and then we've paired it up with the Shot Over G1, which is a 3-axis stabilized head. Use this for more film setups, bigger camera packages, that sort of stuff. It's a 2-man system. You need a pilot to drive the Agido, and then a head operator to operate the head. Very versatile. We use it. You can use it in quite a number of applications. You can put it on track. You can drive it in rough terrain. You can put it on studio floors. You can change out the ends, the drive ends here. So it's a modular system. You can configure to run on track or run on the sports wheels, which it's currently set up to do. The bumblebees, why do we have bumblebees on this? On the ATP, on the tennis, pretty astounding thing happened. A queen bee landed on top of the lid that they're just about to put on, and then the whole swarm of bees attached to the top of the dolly, and they had to stop the wire cam from moving, and a beekeeper came in and took all the bees off. So hence why we have some bees. It's kind of us having a laugh, and it was kind of a famous event for us. But yeah, bumblebees.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Sweet.
So we provide service. We rent these systems out based out of the UK and LA. Not only do we rent the systems out, we provide crew, so techs, operators, people that put in the rig, also the rack systems that you can see behind you as well. That's our design. So they're designed to come off the back of a truck. You take some lids off and your operating station's ready to go. And yeah, that's basically Lunar Remotes in a nutshell.
How long does it take to install or to bring in a production? Do they need like a full setup day with nobody in the arena, or you work around other stuff, or what?
Generally speaking, it's a setup day. You need a setup day. Depends on what kit you're using. For example, the Junior, I could probably rig that in a day and operate the same day. The flying systems, depending where you are, in a stadium, 2 to 3 days, depending on the setup. If you have the points already in, probably get away with a 1-day rig. But yeah, it's can be quite technically demanding and physically demanding system. So it takes a bit of time to get it to set up. But I'm the CTO in the US. You can find me on LinkedIn. But yeah, Lunar Remote Systems is our website.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, mate.
Fabulous. Thank you.